Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm gonna be doing a quick overview on all the little things that I did to my Honda NightHawk. This is a 1992 model, and what I'm gonna do is just do a little overview list of all the little things that I did to it to restore it and modify it a little bit. So let's get this video underway. Change the oil and the oil filter. Change the spark plugs. New air filter. Synchronize the carburetors. New brake pads on the front. These are EBCs and this is the part number. These are the old ones. New brake pads on the rear. This is the part number. These are the old ones. New chain because the old one was kind of worn. This is the one I bought. The original sprockets I did not change because they were pretty much in excellent shape. New head cover gasket. This is the old one and this is the part number. And also the 8 new original rubber washers that go on the top screws. Deleted the PCB ventilation to the intake and it's now venting to the atmosphere. New and longer shifter bolt for more adjustment of the shift lever. Where did I get that? Maybe that's a question you should ask China. New headlight and bezel. The bezel is from a 1970s or 80s CB750, while the headlight is an H4 7-inch Universal headlight replacement. This is the stock one. A little wind deflector or windshield. This is a Universal 7-inch headlight windshield from eBay. You can also buy them on Amazon. New turn signals because the stock ones were broken. Installed engine guards in case I drop it. New brake and clutch levers, adjustable, because the stock ones were not as comfortable. Now, for the mufflers, I didn't want to change the stock headers, so I cut the original mufflers over here. These are the original mufflers, and I sleeved them so I could convert them to slip-on. The new mufflers I made to be slip-ons as well. This pipe slips into the original pipe that I cut, and it has these same cuts over here, so I can clamp them in place. And I use the stock mount, so now I can remove any muffler and swap it just like that, so I can return it back to stock or use the aftermarket mufflers. So that's pretty much it. The bike was in very good shape. It only needed like little cosmetic stuff and attention to the mechanical side, but it was mostly okay. The only thing that it's missing is the steel braided brake line that I ordered, and it's coming soon, I guess, but the stock one is holding up pretty good. That's pretty much it. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section below. And as always, I will see you next time. Have a fantastic day.